位置喺銅鑼灣嘅堅拿道西啊。Here is in the Causeway Bay, Canal Road West. The Canal Road, they are separated into east and west. But actually, it looks like it is one single street. And the Canal Road The Canal Road West is from south to north. I mean the vehicle direction are from south to north, and the Canal Road East is north to south. 咁啊，堅拿道西咧，基本上就係啲車行走方向咧，就由南至北嘅。咁堅拿道東咧就調翻轉，就係由北到南嘅。咁側邊咧，亦都係鵝頸橋啦。And this is the bridge. In Chinese, we call them 鵝頸橋. The meaning is the neck, the goose neck, because back to like the 1860s. Here used to be a river, they call the Canal. And it is long and narrow, and it has got sort of an S shape, looks like the neck of a goose, so that they have this name. 咁以前呢一度咧，其實就係一條運河嚟㗎啦。咁堅拿其實就係呢個 canal 嘅一個譯音啦，都唔知點譯嘅。咁以前呢個運河咧就又窄又長啦，咁有一啲曲線咁樣啦，咁形成嗰個形狀咧，就似係一個鵝頸咁樣，咁所以咧呢度就叫咗做鵝頸橋啦。咁其實以前鵝頸橋咧只係一條橋仔橫跨呢個運河嘅啫，不過而家就變咗一個高速公路嘅入口啦。咁呢度其實亦都係非常之近一個叫做室外街市啦。And this area is very near to a wet market in Warrington Street. 呢個係灣仔道。This is Wanchai Road. The end of Wanchai Road, and look at this. Here is so crowded, and this is part of the wet market in this area. 咁呢個好多人啦，咁呢度基本上就係呢度咧就係呢一個寶靈頓街個街市嘅一部分啊。佢係室外街市嚟嘅，咁室外街市又唔使嘟安心出行啊嗰啲啦。 啱啱路過呢，見到啲嘢喎。咁啊，呢度就暫停營業啦。咁你話點解啊？呢間係托記包店嚟嘅 ，Tongki 包店。好啦，繼續行啦。咁呢個側邊就都有雜鋪頭啦。And there are many shops here.而家嘅時間約莫係6:06啊。It is now 6 p.m. around 6 p.m. I guess people are getting off from their work, so that on the streets at this time is still busy. 咁我諗啲人啱啱放工啦，所以咁多人啦。咁呢度係軒尼詩道鵝頸橋過馬路位。This is the Hennessy Road. And this is one of the busiest pedestrian crossing area in this district. OK， 咁我哋下段片出嚟見啦。咁呢個堅拿道西，Canal Road West, and I will carry on. I will carry on with the other side of the road, so please stick with me. 咁我會繼續行嘅，喺隔離街嗰度。好啦，咁我哋下段片再見啦，拜拜。